Monster Ultra Sunrise. Seems to be aimed at the morning crowd. Since I don't like coffee, I'm partial to any energy drink that's aimed at the morning. So something with sunrise in it, I have to try it. It's got no calories, and judging from the styling of the can, it looks like the no-calorie version of Khaos. So I figured I'd compare the two. I really like Khaos, but part of the reason I like it is that it has juice in it, and I don't think you can get any juice with no calories. So we'll see. So we got Khaos. Ultra Sunrise. It's a lighter color. It's a lighter green. It's more of a yellowy though than orange, which is funny because the can is pretty much the same color as Khaos. Oh, I like that. It's very refreshing. Maybe more bubbly than Khaos. It doesn't taste like orange juice exactly, but it definitely has a juice feel to it. Maybe some pineapple flavor in there. It's good. It's definitely more citrus and bubbly and less sweet than the Khaos. I like it. Thanks for subscribing. The best part of waking up is monster in your cup. Actually, now that I think about it, it tastes like Fresca. A more caffeinated Fresca.